Welcome! My name is Ms. Leibowitz, and this is an introductory video to this OpArt WebQuest. A WebQuest is another type of project that we can do in art class. However, it is online. It has web-based elements and all different types of technological uses that you are going to be learning through this WebQuest. So, when you look at this front screen, you are going to see that there are 3 parts to this project. You can briefly read about those 3 parts, and if you click any of these, you are able to go to those parts and really look into them. Another thing you'll see up here is your menu with your introduction, your WebQuest elements, which are the 3 parts, your project conclusion, the evaluation, which will explain to you how you are going to be graded for each section of this WebQuest, as well as a teacher page, which will tell you all about the lesson plan standards. This is really for other teachers who are looking to use this website in order to teach their students about OpArt. Notice that even under the teacher pages, you do have credits over here. These are the credits that I used in order I credited the people that created websites, which helped me create this website. So it is important to credit anybody and anything that you ever use. Up here you will see that you have a button for Pinterest. This will give you a lot of different ideas for OpArt, so when you are ready to go to your final element of a project, you can use that tool in order to get visual ideas of OpArt. Your YouTube, this button over here will bring you to the YouTube channel, which will have many different types of videos, video tutorials, which you will find throughout this website, and the video tutorial that you're listening to right now and watching will be on there as well. And last but not least, if you do need to email me with any questions, all you have to do is click this button. It is located up here on the side and on the bottom as well. So, when we click Introduction, we are able to see that there is a lot of information here. It does explain to you really briefly about a little bit about OpArt. You are going to be doing most of the research yourself, so look through here, and you can click any of these, like I said, and look into what you have to do. Remember that you will have checkpoints throughout to make sure that you are understanding everything that you need to be. And if you need to go to the evaluation, you can always click that from there. This will have, here you will see the videos which you will need. So we can go on to the next element by clicking here, which is part 1. As you can see, you have your first part, your second part, and your third part. Each part does have a video on the top of it. This video will show you and explain to you that part specifically and help you answer any questions that you might have. You can watch the video 10 times if you'd like to, or just once. Your project conclusion will conclude this project by having a checklist for you of all of the graded elements. You will also have enrichment resources. If you would like to further learn about OpArt, you are able to go into these different websites, and you will be able to move on to evaluation. This will also be somewhat of a checklist. It will explain to you very, very specifically how you're graded for each element in each part of this project. Last but not least, as we said, there are the teacher pages. If you are interested in knowing and understanding what I was thinking when I created this lesson, you are able to come over here. You will notice there are many different types of standards that are addressed in this lesson, such as obviously visual arts standards, technology standards. However, we will also find English language standards as well as 21st century standards. You do have your key terms and anything that you need to know as a teacher teaching this lesson to a class. Next, under teacher pages, we have our pedagogy and Brainy Bits. This is all the great information that is taught in different ways, modified in order to make sure that every student individually really retains all this information. Last but not least, our credits are split up between websites, images, and the artists section, which I created under part 2 of the WebQuest elements. So all the websites are here in MLA form, and if any need to be used, they are here for any teacher or student that would like to look into those and use them. So this is our great, wonderful web quest. You will have several weeks to complete this web quest. Some of the web quest is to work individually, and some of it is also working collaboratively with other students. Please make sure that you do a beautiful job, that you follow the checklists, make sure you complete everything beautifully, and if you ever have any questions, just like I said, right up here, all you have to do is click this. You're able to access my email, and you are able to email me with any questions or concerns that you may have. Good luck, and have a great day.